Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Ooh, smells interesting.
Probably your son.
Hey, Tama, did you manage to see your careers advisor today?
Oh, nah.
Well, why not?
How are they supposed to help me if I don't even know what I want to do?
Well, what do you think you might want to do?
I don't know, Mum. That's the point. It's like, you know, all my mates, they have sussed out all their subjects and they know what they want to do already. What if I make the wrong decision?
Hey, Moko, it doesn't matter. You know, I reckon I had about 7 jobs before I actually became the famous cabaret singer that stands before you.
Okay, thanks, Dad. Tama, things are a little bit different now. You have to have some kind of a plan.
Tikana tēnā, you should have a plan, mate. But it doesn't mean to say the plan can't change.
You're saying that if I change my mind later on, it's no big deal?
Exactly. I mean, the main thing is to keep making decisions and move forward. I mean, look at your Uncle Bimbo. That guy's a qualified lawyer. He's now in Australia driving trucks in the mines and making like 150K plus.
Whatever you decide, your whānau is here to support you. We just want you to be happy.
You know, I've always wanted to be an actor.
Tautoko. Well, once you finish medical school, you can go straight to Shortland Street.
That's why we're leaving it up to you, Moko. That was good, bro.